Assalamu alaikum my dear student. Today we are going with a simple coding of JavaScript. Now first this is doc type is what? Your document type which is be implemented in HTML. Then you are having HTML, you all know. Basically in this program we will be going with the multiplication, how to write a multiplication coding. A simple coding we will be going on. Okay, then what we will be giving here? Head, title, multiplication, title and head close. Now what here we have it? We have given the background color that is yellow. It will be showing you the coding. Okay, and then I just written this coding and now program to calculate the two number. This is the heading of that calculation. Already mentioned variable a and b and c. Variable a equal to 76 directly I have written. Variable b equal to 99.45. C equal to a into b. And what I told it, the document to write it or to print it, the output. Now what we after doing this all, we will save this file. Okay, with has save as, and then we will name has. Now see, already given has multiply dot HTML already given us. I have done and saved. It will be asking existing. Yes, we have done it. Now this file is done. Wherever we have stored that file, we just open it with your browser. Here I open the browser. Now see here, whatever we have given, the background has yellow, it has shown you yellow. Then not ask about the variable, just directly done the multiplication of two numbers and it had put it. This is a simple coding in JavaScript which we will be going on. Now see here, if you want a coding to win, first you know the basic of coding. If you know about HTML, you will be able to understand. Hope so. Today just for 3 to 5 minutes I have done this for you so that you can start doing your coding in JavaScript. Hope you understand the concept here. What are the concept here? Just this is the simple. Or you take the text. Now I have just put it here. I am changing it here. Instead of multiplication, I am going with the addition. Okay. I just click here addition. Okay, and here calculate multiplication I am not doing, here I am doing addition. Okay, of two numbers. I have then here I have given plus sign. Okay, done. File I will be saving it with the new name, save as add dot html. Okay, saved. Now let me show you how it will be working. Just open the where it is. I am opening this. Now see here, again you got simple. So simple program. First do with this type of coding, you will be able to get it how the coding will be working out. Putting addition, instead of addition I put it subtraction. I've given here also subtract. Okay, of two number I put it here minus. Okay, multiplication subtract. Okay, file again I'm putting the same only same coding. I just given save. I just go with my browser, open it. I just go with this. See, this is how the coding will work. So you are able to understand the coding how it works. Hopefully do this type of coding first, a simple coding, and then we will be able to understand how JavaScript work. Okay my dear student, so any doubts related to this will be shown to you. Any doubts related to this? Okay, so please comment on that and please go and subscribe our channel so that next video whichever I am be uploading it, you will be able to watch it. Okay, and next also important thing, go to each and every assignment which is given or test. Prepare yourself so that you can able to understand the coding language. It's very important you should know the coding language, because if you are going in any other field, you know that you should know the coding language. So Jazakallah khair my dear student.